So now let's see how we can utilize the Engrave filter inside of GIMP. So over here you can see that I have this particular image of a flower right now, and if I want to apply the Engrave filter, then what I can do is I can go around onto filters right here, and then what I can do is I can go around onto distorts. Then you can see that the third option right here is Engrave. So if I were to go around and click right here, then you can see the Engrave filter is applied. So it looks like an old printer actually printed out this paper right here. So now what I can do is I can go around and change around the height right here, just like this. So you can go around and really make it tiny right here, like the scale lines as you can see, or you can go around and increase the size right here, so that as you see out from the far, you can see the engrave right here, just like this. So you can go around and change around the size of the engrave as you like, just like this. Apart from that, you can go around and limit the width over here just like this as well, and you can see that you get that option right here, or you can go for you can just uncheck it for more detail. So apart from that, you can change around the opacity as well, so that you can see the original image underneath the engrave as well. And you can also go around and utilize the blending modes right here to blend out the engrave mode. You can go around and disable the preview or enable the preview right here, or work around with the split view to actually see the before and after. And once you're happy and you want to apply it, you can simply press OK, and the engrave filter will be applied onto your particular photo just like this. And this is how you can utilize the engrave filter inside of GIMP. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.